Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you all about this Viburnum Berry in Grow a Garden Safari update. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have just unlocked this Viburnum Berry seed, and this is how the Viburnum Berry looks like. And before I check the base value of this plant, I'm going to show you how you can get this plant in Grow a Garden game. So guys, if you want to get this Viburnum Berry, you can complete the season pass. Okay, and you need to be at level 14 to get this Viburnum Berry seed. Or you can buy the Zenith seed pack and you will have chance to get the Viburnum Berry. Okay, and then I'm going to show you how the Viburnum Berry looks like. Okay, this is the Viburnum Berry plant. And then I'm going to check the value of this plant. I'm going to click on how much is this worth. Okay, and this is the base value. The base value is around 40k shekels. And yeah, I think it's worth to keep, or it's worth to plant on your garden. As you can see that the plant looks beautiful. And okay guys, that's all about the Viburnum Berry and Grow a Garden Safari update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.